Welcome to the WHY How When, where we explore the fascinating stories behind history. Today, we dive into the rich tapestry of the United Kingdom's history, from its prehistoric roots to the modern nation it is today. We'll cover the key events, people, and transformations that shaped this island nation politically, socially, culturally, economically, and geographically. Let's begin at the very start. The story starts around 800,000 years ago with early human settlements. By 3000 BC, Neolithic farmers built monuments like Stonehenge, a UNESCO site symbolizing ancient rituals. Tribes like the Celts dominated, with hill forts and Iron Age cultures emerging. Geographically, Britain was a rugged, forested land separated from Europe by rising seas after the last ice age. In 43 AD, the Romans invaded under Emperor Claudius, conquering much of Britain. They built roads, walls like Hadrian's to fend off northern tribes, and cities like Londinium. Roman rule brought engineering, law, and Christianity, lasting until 410 AD. Economically, trade flourished with villas and baths symbolizing cultural fusion, though native resistance persisted. Post-Roman, Anglo-Saxon kingdoms formed Wessex, Mercia, Northumbria, blending Germanic tribes with Celts. King Alfred the Great unified against Vikings in the 9th century, creating laws and promoting learning. Vikings raided and settled, influencing language and place names. Socially, feudal systems began, with Christianity spreading via monasteries. The 1066 Norman conquest by William the Conqueror centralized power, introducing feudalism and the Domesday Book for taxation. Medieval England saw the Magna Carta in 1215 limiting kingly power, the Black Death decimating population in 1348, and the Wars of the Roses. Culturally, Gothic cathedrals like Canterbury rose, while economically, wool trade boomed. The Tudor dynasty began with Henry VII in 1485, but Henry VIII break from Rome in 1534 created the Church of England. Elizabeth I's reign saw the defeat of the Spanish Armada and Shakespearean flourishing. Stuarts followed, with civil war in 1642 leading to Cromwell's Republic, then restoration in 1660. Socially, exploration expanded the empire. The 18th to 19th centuries brought the Industrial Revolution, with inventions like the steam engine transforming Manchester into an industrial hub. Britain built the world's largest empire, colonizing India, Africa, and Australia. Economically, factories and railways drove wealth, but socially, child labor and urbanization sparked reforms like the Reform Acts. World War I and II reshaped Britain, trenches, blitz bombings, and Churchill's leadership. Post-war, the empire decolonized, NHS was founded in 1948, and the UK joined the EU in 1973. Culturally, the Beatles and swinging 60s defined modernity. Today, the UK is a constitutional monarchy with devolved parliaments in Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. Brexit in 2020 redefined its global role. From ancient stones to digital age, the UK's history inspires. Thanks for watching WHY How When. Subscribe for more.